Holy shit. Ah! Hit! Wow. Oh, hit! Hit, hit! Nice shot! Who shooting me in the ass? Hit! Hit, hit, hit! Oh, holy shit! Woo! Boy, I took a bunch to the face there, man. Oh my Christ. Can't see it. You back him up now?
Oh, hit! Son of a bitch.
Right in the helmet. Woo! He's running for it. He's flanking. This guy's on your right. Hit! Hit, hit! Got me in a reload. Damn. Oh, we lost a mag. Shit. Sure, take a break. Safety's on.
Safety's on.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Did you pistol him? Was it pistol kill?
Too close.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah. Oh, you just banged him?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Bang, bang.
I would have shot me, Frank.
When you made a run for it, I was just lighting you up and I couldn't get you. Then I fucking ran out of ammo.
Then you ran out of ammo?
So I'm like, I'm reloading, and then Paul shoots me in the shoulder and the back. I got a few shots
The
there.
best one was when we first started, you were sitting there scoping on Chris, and I had a full body view.
Oh, yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, he just twat, 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 twat.
It's not my birthday.
Holy crap. Got a little bit of damage there. It's just really like a bee sting, it looks like now.
That damn green dog. Too fucking active.
Oh, you greened up. It was you who shot him? Wow. Oh, that's why you wear the gear.